Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to receive cryptocurrency on Binance. So I just tap on my Binance account and you will have to just log in officially, and now you will have to move in your wallet icon, which is top right bottom corner, and after inside you will see this is your current balance and what to do, how do we receive in cryptocurrency. So just tap on this deposit button. So after inside in you will just select the coin uh, which you have to receiving. So just select it. These are all BTC, Ethereum, USDT and BNB and much more. If you want to search it, you will just search it. I will just example to teach you. This is BTC. I will just tab on it, and this is the choose network. So I will just select the BNB smart chain because it arrival time about 2 to 3 minutes. I will get it my cryptocurrency. So I will just tab on it, and after next when we choose, so this is your wallet address. So you can just copy it and send it to your client who will send you the cryptocurrency. So you can just copy this address and paste it to your client. So your client will be sent to this address wallet, and you will be get money easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.